Having trouble managing your finances? Use Zeno.
Welcome. We are Team Zeno, and today we're excited to introduce a project that bridges the gap between daily spending and international wealth management. We've developed a hybrid forecasting and automated micro-saving decision support system. Our goal is to demonstrate that effortless wealth really can start with your everyday consumption. The formal title of our thesis is A Hybrid Forecasting and Automated Micro-Saving Decision Support System, Integrating Nudge Theory and Multi-Source E-Invoice Analytics. By combining behavioral economics with advanced data analysis, we have created a framework that simplifies the complex world of international wealth management for the average user. Our research is driven by three primary challenges that young professionals and students face today. The first is the saving gap, where individuals struggle to save consistently because traditional methods require active manual effort and a perceived sacrifice of their disposable income. This is compounded by forex analysis paralysis, where retail users who need foreign currency lack the tools to monitor market volatility 24/7. This often leads to last-minute exchanges at unfavorable rates and direct financial loss. Finally, there is a clear data fragmentation issue, where a disconnect exists between daily consumption data from e-invoices and modern financial planning tools, preventing a zero-effort saving experience. To turn these theoretical models into a functional reality, we engineered a high-performance technology stack centered on precision and efficiency. Our front end is a modern progressive web app developed using React 18 and TypeScript, which ensures a type-safe and reliable user experience. We chose Vite as our build tool for its lightning-fast performance and utilized React Router for seamless client-side navigation between screens. A key technical feature is the implementation of the ZX Ing browser library, which enables instant QR code scanning via the device camera while maintaining our privacy-first standard by decoding information locally. The entire interface is styled with Tailwind CSS, providing a clean, utility-first design that adapts to any device. The analytical heavy lifting happens in our backend, built with Python 3.14 and the Fast API framework. This environment allows us to process vast amounts of financial data using Pandas 3.0 and NumPy 2.0. We pull live market updates through the Y-Finance API to feed our forecasting models. Furthermore, we have integrated Google Gemini 2.5 Flash to generate sophisticated generative AI insights, creating a true bridge between raw data and actionable financial advice. This entire ecosystem is anchored by a PostgreSQL relational database hosted on Supabase, ensuring high availability, secure data management, and seamless online collaboration for our development team. The Zeno framework is a formal decision support system, DSS, designed to bridge the structural savings gap by integrating nudge theory and multi-source e-invoice analytics. By acting as a choice architect, Zeno shifts the financial default toward micro-hedging without restricting user freedom. The first layer utilizes a React-based progressive web app, PWA, for high performance and zero-friction input. Users capture receipts through a camera-integrated module, with QR decoding handled locally on the device via the HTML5 QR code library to ensure a privacy-centric experience. For secure testing, the system connects to a PostgreSQL sandbox containing over 1,000 mock invoice records mimicking Ministry of Finance structures. Finally, the analytical core applies a virtual roundup to a user-defined threshold, such as the nearest 100 Taiwan dollars. By shifting the default from spending to saving change, Zeno bypasses user inertia and removes the psychological friction of expense tracking, logging these micro amounts in a virtual savings jar for immediate feedback. To resolve forex analysis paralysis, Zeno employs a dual-path engine to generate actionable Japanese yen or Taiwan dollar hedging signals. Path A performs quantitative technical analysis, monitoring 24/7 market volatility. Using a 30-day simple moving average, SMA baseline, and Bollinger Bands, the engine triggers a mathematical buy signal when the price touches the lower band. Simultaneously, Path B incorporates qualitative sentiment analysis via natural language processing, NLP. A Python script fetches headlines and lead paragraphs from global outlets, using the Loughran-McDonald lexicon to classify terminology as hawkish or dovish to detect market shifts. The final phase generates a high-confidence nudge only when both paths converge, minimizing false positives from media noise. The system highlights incentivized salience by notifying users of their avoided loss, such as a 4.5% gain in purchasing power, allowing them to execute a complex hedge with a single click and zero professional training. Our workflow was structured into 3 developmental phases. Phase 1 established the foundation, where we developed the Python engine to generate mock invoice data for algorithmic testing. Phase 2 focused on engineering the hybrid forecasting core and finalizing the handshake between our React UI and the Fast API backend. We are currently in Phase 3, which involves a 4-week study with 30 student participants. This validation phase allows us to measure the nudge success rate and real-world purchasing power gains, which are being compiled into our final thesis manuscript for departmental submission. The contributions of Zeno are technical, economic, and social. Technically, we have demonstrated a secure method for integrating open data logic into personal fintech tools, while remaining resilient to strict government API regulations. Economically, we are establishing mathematical proof that nudged microsaving combined with technical forecasting increases the purchasing power of retail users. Socially, we are providing a decentralized tool that democratizes complex financial hedging, requiring zero professional training for end users to achieve better financial outcomes. This is a little sneak peek of the app we made. We want to show you how our interface brings these technical concepts to life across all your devices. Zeno is built for intuitive use and secure data handling, ensuring that your journey toward effortless wealth starts here.